Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Noorani Qaida lessons. Inshallah, in this class we are going to do the exercise of all the previous lessons which we have learned already, so that all lessons are now together on this one place which we will learn today. So you have to remember all the rules on one place now. Let us start now. As you can see here that all lessons which we read already in the previous lessons, that all rules are together here. Like we read about alphabets, we read fathah, kasrah, dammah, like the short vowels. Similarly, we read huruf muqatta'at, the muqatta'at letters, that signs also here, and we read double fathah, double kasrah, double dammah, that inshallah in this lesson you will see, and then Maddah letters and Leen letters. So every lesson which you read in the previous classes, that all is here now. So only focus which sign is coming. If the longing place coming, you have to long there. Similarly, we read already standing fathah, standing kasrah, and inverted dammah. So you just focus on the lesson and just read accordingly. So we start now. We will read this lesson with spelling first, and after that without spelling. I will read first. You can repeat after me. The first is Hamza here. Hamza, standing fathah. As you know, if standing fathah, standing kasrah, or inverted dammah come, we long there 2 seconds. So we say Hamza, standing fathah, Mim fathah, ma, ama, Noon fathah, na, amana, and Mim and the Noon we do not long, as Mim and Noon both letters have short vowels like the fathah. So if fathah comes alone, so we do not long there. These are the short vowels. So we only long Hamza. Amana, amana. The next is Hamza, standing fathah, Waw, standing fathah, wa. We long only these two letters, and ya we do not read here as there is no any sign on the ya. So only the first two letters we read in spelling and without spelling as well. Like we say awa, awa. Hamza, standing fathah, we long 1 second. Noon kasra, ni, we do not long here. Ani. Ya fathah, ya, aniya. Ta double kasra, tin, aniyatin, aniyatin. Pay attention, we are not longing any other letters. We are only longing the letter which has a longing sign here on the Hamza. And the next is Hamza, standing kasra, e. 1 second we long. Lam, standing fathah, la, ila. Fa kasra, fi, ilafi, ilafi. The next is Hamza, ya fathah, ay. As you can see that fathah is followed by ya sakin. That's why this ya is a ya leen, where we make the soft sound as we say Hamza ya fatha ay, noon fatha na, aina, 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 ba kasrah bi, ha standing kasrah he, bihi, bihi. So very carefully understand the longing places which you read already in the previous lessons. So whenever longing signs come, so you only long there, and if any other letters come with signs, so do not long them. The next is Jim, Alif, Mad, Fatha, Ja. So in this condition, we spell the letters first, then the mud sign name, and in the end, the movement. Like we say Jim, Alif, right? So these two letters first, and then the mud sign name, like Jim, Alif, Mud, and after that in the end we say the Fatha sign. As you remember, like we read like the circle. Okay, so we say again Jim, Alif, Mad, Fatha, Ja, Hamza, Fatha, A. We do not long Hamza, only we long Jim due to mud sign, and also here is Alif Madda. As Fatha is followed by Alif, so this is Alif Sakin. So there are two longing places now. The one is Alif and second is mud sign. So this we also long 3 to 5 seconds. So we say again Ja'a, Jim, Alif, Mad, standing kasrah, Ji. We do not read Ya here, as only we read Jim, Alif, Mad and standing kasrah, like the letters first and then standing kasrah in the end. So we long it due to this standing kasrah and the mud sign here. Ji, and there is no any sign on the Ya, so we do not read Ya, so only we read Hamza now. Hamza Fatha A, Ji A, Ji A, Jim, Waw, Dammah, Ju. Here you see the Waw sakin is preceded by Dammah. This Waw is Waw Madda, which we read already. So we long here 2 seconds as well. Jim, Waw, Dammah, Ju. Ain, double kasra, in, Ju'in, Ju'in. So in this lesson, focus on each that rule which you read, like the standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma. So anyone from these signs come, you long. Similarly, maddah letters if come, you long. Just focus which signs are coming, which letters are coming. Very carefully practice this lesson, as it is very important exercise here of all that lessons which you read. So we say again Ju'in, Ju'in. The next is Kha, Waw, Fatha, Khaw. And now look at here, this is not a Waw Madda, so we do not long here, as here Waw Sakin is preceded by Fatha, and in the previous example there was Waw Sakin is preceded by Dhamma. So this is the difference between Maddah letter and Leen letter. So you have to remember this difference very carefully and then read accordingly. So we say here Kha, Waw, Fatha, Khaw, soft sound. Fa double kasra, fin, khawfin, khawfin. Kha, Ya, Fatha, Khoy. And look at here again, Ya Leen. Ya Sakin is preceded by Fatha. It's Ya Leen here. We do not long, we only make soft sound. Khoy. Ra double Dhamma, Run, Khoyrun, Khoyrun. Dal standing Fatha, Da, 2 seconds long. Waw inverted Dhamma, Wu, dawu, dal dammah du, dawudu. Okay, we are understanding that these first two letters have a longing signs. That's why we are longing each letter individually. Dawudu, and the last dal we are not longing. Zal standing fatha, za, lam kasra li, zali, kaf fatha ka, zalika, zalika. And also pay attention the sound of the letters, which is also very important to read Quran. Like, pay attention on the sound of the letters, that the letter sound is correct or not, and also pay attention on each sign which are coming. Ra fatha ra, Dad, Waw, Dhamma, Du. Is Waw Madda again here. We long 2 seconds here. Radu. And the green letters whenever come, you make the bold sound there, like the heavy sound, Ra. We cannot say Radu. Radu is wrong. You have to say bold sound, Ra. Radu. Radu. And we also long. The next is Sheen, Alif, Mad, Fatha, Sha, Hamza, Fatha, A. We do not long Hamza, we only long Sheen. Sha'a, Sha'a. Next is Mim standing Fatha, Ma, Lam kasra li, Mali, Kaf kasra ki, Maliki, Maliki. Sheen ya fatha shay, Hamza double kasra in, shay'in, shay'in. This ya is a ya leen. We only make the soft sound. Ta fatha ta, Ghain standing fatha gha. The both letters we read bold, as the both letters are in green colors. Ta, and ya we do not read here, as there is no any sign on that. Ta, ta fatha ta, Ghain, Waw fatha ghaw, ta ghaw, ta ghaw. It is wawleen now. Ta ya fatha toy, Ra double fatha ran, toyran, toyran. Is ya leen here now, as ya sakin is preceded by fatha. Ain alif fatha a, dal double kasra din, adin, adin. Here is alif madda now. Alif sakin is preceded by fatha. There is alif and before there is fatha now. So we long. Adin. Ain fatha a, lam standing fatha la, ala. Again ya we do not read here, only we read lam, ala. Ain ya fatha ay, noon double dammah nun, aynun, aynun. This ya is ya leen. Fa ya kasra fi, ha kasra hi, fihi. This is ya madda now, as ya sakin is here, like the ya has a sukun sign on it and there is a kasra before. That's why we long here. 1 second. Fihi, fihi. Qaf alif fatha qa, lam fatha la, qala, qala. Is alif madda now. Qaf waw fatha qaw, lam double damma lun, qawlun, qawlun. There is wawleen. Kaf alif fatha ka, noon fatha na, kana. Again alif madda is there. Before the alif there is fatha, so we long it. 2 seconds. kana, kaf ya fatha kai, dal double fatha dan, kaidan, kaidan. There is again ya leen. Kaf ya fatha kai, fa fatha fa, kaifa, kaifa. Lam waw fatha law, ha double kasrah hin, lawhin, lawhin. This is waw leen here. Lam ya fatha lay, sin fatha sa, laysa, laysa. Mim alif fatha ma, alif madda is there. Lam double fatha lan, malan, malan. Noon alif fatha na, ra double fatha ran, naran, naran. Mim alif mad fatha ma, hamza double kasra in, ma in, ma in. Waw ya fatha way, lam double dammalun, wailun, wailun. This is again ya leen here. Ya sakin is preceded by fatha. Ya waw fatha yaw, mim double kasra min, yawmin, yawmin. Ya fatha ya, ra fatha ra, yara. Ha inverted dammah hu, yarahu, yarahu. Ra we read in bold sound, yara, right? You do not say light sound here like yara, yarahu. That is wrong. Yarahu, yarahu. Ha alif fatha ha, alif madda is there. Sin kasra si, ha si. Dal double kasra din, ha si din, hasidin. Ha alif fatha ha, fa kasra fi, hafi. Wa double dhamma zun, hafizun, hafizun. Dal alif fatha da, fa kasra fi, dafi. Qaf double kasra qin, dafiqin, dafiqin. Very carefully look that sometimes Maddah letters are coming, Leen letters are coming, so you only focus and remember these things here. As when we move to the next lesson, so there will be the new rules. So only remember Maddah letters and Leen letters and the longing places, which is very important to remember here. Sheen alif fatha sha, ha kasra hi, shahi. Dal double kasra din, shahidin, shahidin. Ain alif fatha a, ba kasra bi, abi. Dal double dhamma dun, abidun, abidun. Here is again alif madda. Ain alif mad fatha a, hamza kasra i, i. Lam double fatha lan, ilan, ilan. Ghain alif fatha gha, sin kasra si, ghasi. Qaf double kasra qin, ghasiqin, ghasiqin. Noon alif fatha na, sad kasra si, nasi, ra double kasrah, rin, nasirin, nasirin. Waw alif fatha wa, lam kasra li, wali, dal double kasra din, walidin, walidin. Hamza fatha a, ain waw damma'u. This is waw madda here. Waw sakin is preceded by dammah. That's why we long here 2 seconds. A'u, dal damma dhu, a'udhu, a'udhu. Hamza fatha a, kaf ya kasra ki, aki, dal damma du, akidu, akidu. Here is ya madda now. Ya fatha ya, kha alif fatha kha, ya kha, fa damma fu, ya khafu, ya khafu. Ya fatha ya, dal standing fatha da, yada, ha dammahu, yadahu, yadahu. Dal we long, as here is a standing fatha on the dal, that's why. Ya dhamma yu, qaf alif fatha qa, yuqa, lam dhamma lu, yuqalu, yuqalu. Again alif madda is there. Ta dhamma tu, ra standing fatha ra, tu ra, ba double fatha ban, turaban, turaban. Ha kasra hi, sin alif fatha sa, hisa, ba double fatha ban, hisaban, hisaban. So again alif madda is there. Sin dhamma su, ba alif fatha ba, suba, ta double fatha tan, subatan, subatan. Sin kasra si, ra alif fatha ra, sira, jim double fatha jan, sirajan, sirajan. Sin fatha sa, lam standing fatha la, sala, mim double dhamma mun, salamun, salamun. Shin kasra shi, dal alif fatha da, shida, dal double fatha dan, shidadan, shidadan. Shin fatha sha, ra alif fatha ra, shara, ba double fatha ban, sharaban, sharaban. Sad fatha sa, waw alif fatha wa, sawa, ba double fatha ban, sawaban, sawaban. So this is the exercise of all that rules which we read in the previous classes. So I hope you understand this and you will practice of this lesson very carefully by remembering the longing places, the longing letters and the bold letters and the Arabic letters sound as well. So everything very carefully remember. So make sure to remember all these rules here. Inshallah, in the next class we will continue the same lesson with the same exercise. See you inshallah in the next class. Have a nice time. Take care. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.